I was not going to make this video, but a conversation with my friend the other day changed my mind. She mentioned how the gelatin trick had been a game changer for her bloating issues, and I just had to share it with you. You see, when you're dealing with bloating and inflammation, it can feel like your body is just not cooperating, and every little thing you eat makes you feel puffy and uncomfortable. The gelatin trick is this simple daily ritual that involves using plain gelatin from your kitchen to help soothe your digestive system and reduce inflammation. As I dug deeper into it, I realized that the gelatin trick works by coating your stomach lining and reducing inflammation, which in turn helps with digestion and nutrient absorption. My friend swears by the gelatin trick, saying it's helped her wake up feeling more refreshed and less bloated. And I have to say, I'm intrigued. If you're struggling with bloating and inflammation, I think the gelatin trick is definitely worth trying. Check out the link in my description to learn more about how to incorporate the gelatin trick into your daily routine. And if you have any questions, hop over to the pinned comment where I've shared some additional tips on getting started with the gelatin trick.